Setting up a project and setting a project budget in Aria. Welcome to this session where we'll look at setting up a project in Aria. From the admin console, navigate to the left-hand side and click the plus icon under projects. You can choose to name your projects as you see fit. In this instance, I'll name it All Employees. From here, you can choose to add an icon and complete a description. You can also set an appropriate tag against risks or potential challenges or data that will be handled through the EU AI Act, ISO 24001, or either of the other two regulations here. Once you're happy with this, you can select Create and that will generate your project. To see the full list of your projects, navigate to the left and click View All Projects. If it's a frequently used project, you can find your project and pin it to the top of your list. You can click the right dots to delete or edit a project if you want to make adjustments. You'll also note that you can set a budget for this project. Setting a budget allows you to manage costs and control the spend across a given month or week. You can simply enter a budget for that month. You can also decide to get notified when a budget hits a certain percentage. You're able to block executions when you reach a given threshold if you wish, by checking this box. Once you save this, that budget will take effect. As you can see now, I'm in this project. We now have this budget tallied in the top right, so we can go build our agents and start testing and deploying to our employees, and manage costs of our AI initiatives. Thanks for watching.